The 1962 Studebaker Sceptre Concept Car stands as a testament to the innovative spirit and ambitious design philosophy of the Studebaker Corporation during a tumultuous period in its history. This concept car, envisioned as a flagship model, was a bold attempt to revitalize the ailing brand and compete with industry giants like Ford and General Motors. The Studebaker Sceptre was conceived under the leadership of Sherwood Egbert, the president of Studebaker, who hired renowned industrial designer Brooks Stevens to spearhead the project. Stevens, known for his futuristic and space-age-inspired designs, was tasked with creating a car that would set Studebaker apart from its competitors. The Sceptre was built by Carrozzeria Sibona-Bassano of Turin, Italy, a highly regarded but short-lived coach builder. The Sceptre featured a radical and futuristic design, departing significantly from Studebaker's previous models. The two-door coupe boasted a spacious and premium-looking greenhouse with full-length headlamps stretching across the entire width of the fascia. The most striking feature was the electric razor-like insert adorning the upper front section, which added a unique and modern touch. The rear fascia retained the full-length light bar theme, with taillights featuring large Studebaker lettering. Inside, the Sceptre's interior was equally innovative. It included gauges covered in transparent bubbles, a slide-rule speedometer placed high above the dash, and a large glove box that slid back toward the front passenger. The cabin was modern and Italianate in form, with black and gold vinyl trim and a large, airy greenhouse flooded with light. While the exact technical specifications of the Sceptre are not widely documented, it is known that the prototype was built on a Studebaker chassis. The car was designed to be versatile, serving as a blueprint for a family sedan and an expansive 8-passenger station wagon. The Sceptre introduced groundbreaking body lines and innovative features, including grille and headlight treatments, bumper design, and hood and rear deck openings. The Sceptre was not the only concept car proposed by Brooks Stevens. He also designed the Cruiser, a 4-door prototype intended to replace the Lark. Both concepts were built by Sibona-Bassano, with the Sceptre costing Stevens about $16,000, equivalent to almost $156,000 in 2022. Despite Egbert's interest, neither project was greenlighted due to Studebaker's financial struggles. Although the Sceptre never made it to production, it left a lasting impact on the automotive industry. Its innovative design elements, such as the electric razor grille and full-length light bar, influenced future car designs. The Sceptre is now on display at the Studebaker National Museum in South Bend, Indiana, serving as a testament to the brand's spirit of innovation and creativity. The 1962 Studebaker Sceptre Concept Car represents a pivotal moment in Studebaker's history, showcasing the brand's ambitious attempt to stay relevant in a competitive market. While it did not save the company from its eventual demise, the Sceptre's innovative design and forward-thinking features continue to inspire and captivate automotive enthusiasts today.